In a quarantined universe we live now. I gazed in unmitigated silence. It felt just like a calm before a storm. The stars seemed to isolate themselves from the moon. The sun went down, but did not really seem to come back up. Or maybe the curtains of the house in which we've isolated ourselves are too thick for light to enter.
We, the students of Vapi Public School, are here to present a skit with a purpose to spread awareness regarding the precautions that can be taken to protect ourselves from the novel coronavirus or COVID-19. It is a humble attempt on our part to present the various shades of our current scenario with sprinklers of smile and a story that we hope will serve our purpose.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रूही कपूर और आप देख रहे हैं एसीपी न्यूज। कहते हैं प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, यानी बचाव उपचार से बेहतर है। और कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए अभी तक कोई उपाय बना ही नहीं है। इससे लड़ने के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ दो ही हथियार है, जानकारी और बचाव, और एल्स इट विल टेक नो टाइम टू एंड योर गेम।
What? I don't know what is going to happen. Let me call my friends Ananya and Rishi and see what they are doing. Hey guys.
Hi.
क्या कर रहे हो? I'm bored.
Nah, just Netflix and fun.
I was playing Ludo.
Guys, heard the news. The virus is getting deadlier day by day. I'm scared.
अरे guys, chill, हमें कुछ नहीं होगा. Let's meet.
तू पागल हो गया है क्या?
Guys, seriously?
Guys, when did you have a clone?
Who are you?
ये कौन था?
Who are you?
Me? Hi, I'm your future self.
I was actually missing this time in lockdown, so I came here.
तो मेरा फ्यूचर सेल्फ नहीं आया?
You dumbhead. घर से बाहर कदम भी मत रखना। यहाँ बाहर लोग मर रहे हो, तुझे घूमने की पड़ी है?
यार तू तो फ्यूचर में भी नहीं बदली।
My future self? Oh, great. So, is everything fine in future? Is everything getting better?
Hey guys, टिकटॉक का क्या हुआ?
Shut up. Explain to us what's happening in the future. I'm being scared to death.
Chill guys. It's just an coincidence कि future अन्यन्या भी मेरे साथ आई है. Don't be scared. Let's talk now.
Nothing much. You should know life will change after this. Buy masks and gloves because they are most important at this time. Oh, you're wearing this shirt. You know we have Indian brands in the future.
Guys, तुम्हारे टाइम पे भी मास्क है क्या? और क्या लॉकडाउन भी है?
हाँ, जैसे लॉकडाउन 1021?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. The government made the laws on social gathering and social distancing immediately. And you know what's the most exciting part about it? That the government decided a day for Janta curfew every day. And that too for every month, And that too for environment.
And you know pollution इतना कम हो गया था. I thought कि आसमान में latitude और longitude भी दिखते होंगे क्या?
अरे गाइस, मैं तो बोलता हूँ एक कोरोना पेशेंट को बचा के रखते ताकि अगले साल के एग्जाम के लिए भी काम आए.
Guys, ask your parents to invest in Zoom. बहुत काम आने वाला है.
अरे कुछ और बताओ ना कोविड-19 डिटेल्स के अलावा. आई थिंक हमारी मेडिकल फील्ड संभाल लेगी उसको.
You know, Another thing that the sanitization machines are a trend right now. Last time I saw a Pikachu model and I just loved it.
So, what's the actual safeguard? I'm tired of this fake news all around.
Nothing much. You just have to wash your hands for 20 seconds, both from your at the palm side and from back side, every time you go outside and come back.
Just sanitize everything around you, including yourself. Shit, look at the time, Soumya. We have to go. We have a Zoom meeting to attend. Our break
Total
time
number
is
of
over.
COVID-19 patients in the world has risen to 60 lakh with 3 lakh deaths. USA has recorded the most number of cases, bringing it to the first position worldwide. Second, Brazil. Third, Russia. And India on 9th position. अपना और अपनों का ध्यान रखें, घर रहे, सुरक्षित रहे। आगे की जानकारी के लिए बने रहे। हम मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद।
How am I going to work this out?
Don't worry, beta.
Grandma, are we going to survive this? I have no idea. Please help me.
The most important thing is maintaining your immunity. Eat healthy, take complete rest, and do exercises to keep yourself fit. Try making a kadha with lemon, ginger, tulsi, and honey. Engage yourself in physical activities like jogging, dancing, etc.
चीन से शुरू हुआ कोरोना का कोहराम पूरी दुनिया में खतरा बन चुका है। भारत में केसेस बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं। It has crossed the mark of 1.73 lakh, nearly 8,000 cases in 24 hours with over 4,000 deaths, while it also have got recovery of 82,000 people.
Am I the only one who is still hopeless?
Hopeless? What do you mean by that word, children? Remember, children, ज़मीर जिंदा रख, कबीर जिंदा रख। सुल्तान बन जाए, फिर भी दिल का वो फकीर जिंदा रख। हौसले के उस तरकश में कोशिश का वो तीर जिंदा रख। जब हार जाए इस जग से सब कुछ, फिर भी जीतने की वो उम्मीद जिंदा रख।
Grandpa, it was an amazing poem.
When doctors, policemen, and other corona warriors can work for you without taking care of themselves, why can't you just simply contribute to India by staying at your home, which will not only keep you and your family safe but also lead our nation run?